Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the laptop and connecting AC power so it won't die mid-process. Once done, note the exact Lenovo model and whether Windows is Home or Pro. That determines recovery options. Make a bootable USB if you don't have recovery partitions. Use another PC to create Windows installation media. Now reboot and press the Lenovo Novo button or F12 to open the boot menu. Select USB or recovery environment so you can reach password reset and system restore tools. You'll now try safe, reversible options first. In the recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot right arrow reset this PC. Pick Keep My Files to remove the lock while retaining user data, or remove everything for a full clean. If you prefer not to reset, use Command Prompt in Advanced Options to enable the built-in administrator for password removal, only if you understand command risks. Alternatively, boot a Linux Live USB to copy important files to external storage before proceeding with destructive steps. Finish by rebooting into Windows and creating a new local admin or signing in with your Microsoft account. Make sure system updates install. If you encounter a BIOS or UEFI firmware password, you cannot reset Windows locks until that is cleared. Contact Lenovo service or an authorized technician. If a reset failed, use your backup from the Linux USB or reinstall Windows using the installation media. One troubleshooting tip: test logins after each action and keep the recovery USB handy in case you need to repeat steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.